The iconic CocoWalk is located in the heart of Coconut Grove. It's one of the best destinations for shopping, dining experience, and entertainment. The Barnacle House, built in 1891, located on the shore of Biscayne Bay, was the home of Ralph Middleton Moreau, one of Coconut Grove's most charming and influential pioneers. No trip at Coconut Grove is complete without a stop at AC's Ices. AC's Ices has been around since 1978, way before I was born. Cheers! And if you feel a bit more adventurous, take an afternoon and learn how to sail.